This is not financial advice. Dreamers, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could generate an extra $1,000 a week or $4,000 a month on your Nvidia LEAP options. This strategy is called the poor man cover calls. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it step by step in this video. Once you learn this strategy, you are literally giving yourself a raise. And once you learn how to do this, it's very simple. And this is a strategy that you can use for the rest of your life. So this strategy could generate you some extra income that you need every week for the rest of your life. So go ahead and comment down in the comment section. Give me the loot, because I'm going to show you guys how to make the market give you the loot. But before we dive into it, dreamers, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, I could get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of this month. I only need 92 more of you guys to hit the subscribe button, and I would really appreciate that if you guys can help me out. That would be amazing. And if you could do me another huge favor and hit that notification bell, I think that helps out this channel more than you guys could possibly even imagine. Right now, 21.9% of you have hit the notification bell. Average on YouTube is 10 to 30%. And you guys are by far the best community there is on YouTube. So if you can hit that notification bell for me, even if you already subscribed, if you just do me a favor, hit that notification bell. It's free. It's free. And I really appreciate it if you guys can help me out that way. But yeah, let me go ahead and dive into this video and show you guys how to get that loot. All right. So far this year, from using the strategy, one of the strategies I'm showing you in this video for poor man cover call has actually helped me out a lot. So far this year, I generated over $5,659 this year. So in January, I hit $4,582 that I posted inside the Patreon. So I was hitting that $1,000 a week. And then in February, the first week, I did hit that $1,077 the first week in January. So I am on track of hitting that $1,000 a week mark. Just from using the strategy that I'm going to show you guys in this video. All right, so the stock that we're going to use in this video is Nvidia. They've been really good when it comes to computer graphics cards, GPUs, the cloud, AI, a lot of investments, and they've been growing extremely fast and really quick. So their LEAP options have been killing it. Yeah, the last LEAP option I had on Nvidia, you guys can see that I had a profit of around $14,900. So it's just $15,000, right? So I had $15,000. I took that money and I bought even more LEAP options on Nvidia, but I made a lot more than $15,000 because of poor man cover calls, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. But that's the power of LEAPS. In fact, I can show you right now, even on my LEAPS. Let's scroll up. There goes. I have 4 more LEAP options on Nvidia. I bought them at $5,650 each. They're up to $62,000, and I'm $2,300. So I'm up 10%. And has it been in about a month and a half? I'm up 10%. I'm going to continue to let this ride down. I was way up on this, but I think that we got in at a pretty doggone good time. Now, let me show you guys my entries on these LEAPs, and then I'm going to show you how to buy them. So when I'm looking at a company like Nvidia, I like to switch to the 1-day chart. And I really love in buying LEAPS when it's oversold on the RSI. The last time Nvidia was oversold on the RSI was in April 2025. Whenever I see Nvidia oversold on the RSI, that's why I'm going to go in heavy and buy up shares. That's why I'm going to go in heavy and buy up some LEAP options. And another time that I like to buy LEAP options is when it pulls back to the 200 EMA. That's why I would go in and buy up 1 or 2 LEAP options. Right now, I have 4 LEAP options on Nvidia. A pretty good price point that I think I got in at, not the best, but if I could get Nvidia oversold on the 1-day chart, when I'm looking at LEAP options, I'm looking at the 1-day chart. Right here would have been a pretty doggone good time to enter some LEAP options on Nvidia, even though it wasn't oversold on the RSI. So I'm going to wait and be patient to buy up more Nvidia LEAPs. And once it becomes oversold on the RSI, that's why I'm going to go in and buy up some more LEAPs on the video. Right now I have 4, but let me show you guys the LEAP option strategy called poor man cover calls to generate some extra income. So we're going to hit trade, we're going to hit view options, and then we're going to be buying a call expiring at least a year out. So right now let's go out to March 19th, 2027. And then we're going to be looking for a 0.7 delta. Now I say at least a year out because anything less than a year and you sell it, you're going to get taxed as short-term capital gain. And that is a lot more than long-term capital gain. So anything over a year, long-term capital gain, shorter than a year, short-term capital gain. Now, me personally, I'll go out 2 years. Now, my LEAPs are expiring. Let's see, go all the way out at the end of December 2027. So like 2 years from the time that I had bought this. And if I could, I would have did it at the end of 2028. That would have been a 3-year LEAP option, but that's probably when I'm going to buy my next LEAP. So I like my LEAPs to expire out because I get the most bang for my buck on a company like Nvidia. So let's scroll back out to just a year out, and we're going to be buying a call looking for a 0.7 delta. So it's usually inside the money. Let's look at the 185 right here and click on that one. That is a 0.63 delta. I'm gonna explain to what the delta is in a second, a summary of what the delta is. So let's look at the 175 call. That's a 0.67 delta. And now let's look at the 165 call. That's a 0.71 delta. All right, so we're gonna be looking at the $165 call. That is a 0.71 delta, and your break even Nvidia will have to be over $215 within the next year. So with a 0.7 delta, that means for every dollar move that Nvidia makes, you're going to make $71. That's what the delta is when it comes to buying a call and buying a put. And right there, the market price is pretty much right at $5,000 to buy a call on Nvidia. So if you did want to buy this one, you're in a one, you put in 50. It's going to cost you $5,000 to enter this LEAP option. And if Nvidia goes up within the next year, you can make a lot of money from this LEAP option. Let me show you right quick, and then I'm gonna show you how to do poor man cover calls. So on my LEAP options on the video, I'm gonna hit simulate returns. Let's say Nvidia do go up to $215, right? If Nvidia goes up to $215, or let's just say 220, make it an even 220 right there. Within the next 2 years, if Nvidia goes up to 220 within the next 2 years, I can make $13,139 from this LEAP option. And Nvidia has been going up well more than 20% over the last per year over the last year. So if a video goes up to, let's say 30% right here, I could make $20,000 on my LEAP option, doubling 100% gain in just what? I could have 100% gain of a video stock only going up 30%. And that's why people do LEAP options. So let's go back and hit trade all options. And now that we have our LEAP options, we're going to go out a single week. So once you buy your LEAP options, it's acting like you have 100 shares. You don't have 100 shares, but because you have that LEAP option, you bought a call, you're acting like you have 100 shares. And now you can do something called a poor man cover calls. So we're going to sell a call versus our LEAP option, right? And that's what we've been doing inside of the Patreon. We've been generating extra income every single week. So what you want to do, you want to sell a call and you want to look for around a 0.3 to a 0.2 delta above the strike price. Once you're in profit, you can do cover calls. So we're out a week. We're going to look for like a 0.3 or 0.2 delta. So let's click this one right here, the 192.5 is at a 0.26 delta. So it does meet our criteria. It has a market price of $162. So as long as Nvidia right here in this example stays below $192.50, we get to keep our premium, which is $162. So we hit sell right here. Bam, 162. We get to keep our premium, which is $162. And we get to keep our LEAP option that went up in value. And then we could do poor man cover calls the week after that, and then poor man cover calls the week after that, every single week until we're generating enough money to pay for our LEAP options. So if we're making $162 a week for the next year, so 162 times, and we're doing this for 52 weeks, we could generate $8,000. And remember, it only cost us $5,000 to buy this LEAP option. So we could have the poor man cover call pay for our LEAP option itself in premium that we generated from doing poor man cover calls. Then it cost us to enter this one LEAP option on Nvidia. So of course, doing it at a 0.26 delta is a little bit risky because you could have your LEAP option called away. But if it do get called away, that just means you made money and you just close your option early. And then you can enter in again at another time. If you ever get your LEAP options called away, you made money. You did not lose money. You made money. Did you make the most money you could possibly make? No, because you did a poor man cover call, but you made money. But you could generate extra income every single week from your LEAP options from doing poor man cover calls. And if you did want to make $1,000 per week on Nvidia, right now I have 4. So I'm bringing in around $647 extra a week on my LEAP options on Nvidia, and I would need 7. So I would need, actually, would I need 6? Yeah, I would need around like 6 or 7. So I would need around 6 or 7 options to generate an extra $1,000 of Nvidia every single week, or $4,000 on Nvidia a month. Right now I have 4. That means I would need 3 more LEAP options on Nvidia to finally bring in that $4,000 a month on Nvidia. So right now, so if you did need 7 LEAP options, 7 times 5,000, so 7 times 5,000, yeah, unfortunately you would need around like $35,000 to enter 7 LEAP options on Nvidia, but you're giving yourself $4,000 a month, and you could bring in $48,000 doing poor man cover calls on Nvidia. Now that is the very, 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 very simple way of talking about poor man cover calls. I'll go into depth on poor man cover calls inside of my Patreon. I got modules in there that's going to walk you through it step by step. How to roll your options up and out, how to roll your options down and in, how to pick your LEAP options, how to do poor man cover calls, how to do technical analysis on when to do poor man cover calls. I cover everything inside of my modules inside the Dream Team, and I hold Zoom calls every single Sunday. So if you guys do right now, there's a 7-day free trial. You could go in there, you could try everything for free for 7 days, and you could take literally all my modules and learn everything for free in 7 days and not have to pay anything. If you do like it, you can stay in, be a part of the Zoom calls, all of that stuff. But if you just gonna go in, take in, do all my modules and everything like that, the least I'm gonna ask you to do is leave a comment on this video and hit that notification bell and hit the thumbs up button if you're just gonna go in and take everything. I ain't tripping. I did it once before, went in for free trials when I was trying to learn everything, and then I circled back and I really thank that person and I bless that person for teaching them. But yeah, if you're new to investing and you just ain't got it, go in for 7 days. I'm not tripping at all. The only thing I ask, hit that thumbs up button and comment. Give me the loot down in the comment section. I really appreciate you guys. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. Still a small channel. Help me get to 5,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. Hit that notification bell and comment anything that you want to comment down below. I reply to every single comment, and I really appreciate you guys. So if you have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, if I went too fast, I know I can't talk about everything in a short YouTube video. So if you do want to learn everything, I'm gonna leave a link to Patreon down in the pinned comment section. The Patreon is gonna take you to my Discord. It's gonna have all my modules in there for you guys to learn, and you have direct access to me. But other than that, dreamers, I really appreciate you guys joining. I'm Zeke, bring you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.